Hello friends, welcome back to Musafir Hunyaro. In winter, nature lovers opt for bird watching, and today we are going to a place called Purbasthali, which is roughly around 4.5 to 5 hours drive from Kolkata. There is a bird sanctuary called Chupi, where loads of migratory birds are coming in winter. So today we'll see the road towards Chupi and a place where we can get delicious breakfast and finally loads of migratory birds. Good morning. Today it's the Republic Day of India. It's 26th of January and today we have a plan to go to see some birds. Yes, it's a day for birding for us and we are going to Chupi. Chupi is roughly around 4.5 hours driving from Calcutta, and we are currently crossing Kolkata airport area, and as you have seen I have taken the right lane which will put us to Jashore road, and from where we would be getting into Belgharia expressway and then would be crossing Ganga through Nivedita Setu. Our first stop would be at Kitchen Sutra, somewhere in Chinsura. So Chupi is a place where lots of migratory birds are being seen. Started from different kind of ospreys, Brahminic kites, red-crested pochard, ruddyshelduck, black cormorants, black drongo. Then you have kingfisher. You can see a couple of jungle cats as well. The ideal time for birding is either early morning or during sunset. So evening time. Here people actually travel in a boat. It's a hand operated boat and total 4 persons are allowed. The different part of today's drive would be, I'm driving today with a group called Driving DNA, and today total 20 cars are moving towards Chupi from this group. We are getting into Nivedita Setu. This is a toll road where the toll charge is 65 rupees. On our right hand side we have the famous Dakshineshwar Kali temple, Ma Bhavtarini temple, and then on our right hand side we can see the Bali bridge, which is a non-toll road. Which is pretty fast. From this point, guys, just note down carefully. If we go towards the left, we'll go to Kharagpur and we have to take the right one to be into Delhi Road or Durgapur Expressway. This point, people moving towards Old Delhi Road need to be a bit careful because we need to take the right turn. Currently the road is under construction. From this point, vehicles which are moving towards Old Delhi Road have to take the right. See? We have taken right and we are about to enter Old Delhi Road. This Old Delhi Road is now in its new avatar and it's a pretty fine road. People are also using this Old Delhi Road while they are planning their road trip to Shiliguri from Calcutta. The reason being, this road is pretty smooth now, and it actually saves time compared to the conventional route of Barashad and Kalyani and all. This road will get into stkk road, and then it will cross the river Ganga, and then it will put us to Krishnanagar. Now from Krishnanagar we will be getting into the conventional NH34. So what it will help us to save is the time where time is in Ranaghat crossing and the pathetic road which is currently under construction in Kalyani and all. This road is pretty smooth. We are able to drive properly without any hiccups. In another 30 minutes we should reach our designated place for breakfast. Guys, we reached our breakfast destination, Kitchen Sutra, for today. Let's see what is waiting inside for us. It's a good place with ample car parking. So the convoy is getting ready from Kitchen Sutra. As you can see, 20 cars. Same DNA, driving DNA. Guys, we reached Chupi Pakhiralay, which is a place where we get migratory birds. So that's how they have written over here. This is the entry point of Chupi Bird Sanctuary or Chupi Pakhiralay. We have to take a boat and then we will be sailing into the river. This is how in Chupi Pakhiralay we have to see the birds. So the boatman would be taking us through this water to different parts, and we would be able to see different kind of migratory birds. This is white-breasted kingfisher. This is cormorants or pankoudi. See how beautifully they are drying their wings. I think now it will take a flight. So let's wait for it. She is actually watching us, and now this cormorants will take a flight. See how beautiful. This is purpleswamphen or purple moorhen. This bird is red-crested pochard, one of the very common bird in Chupi. These birds are common coots. 3 number of red-crested pochard in one frame. Amazing view for us. This bird is pond heron, a very common bird, even in our neighborhood. Tell me which bird is this? This is white-throated kingfisher, very common. And this one? This is a common kingfisher. Now just see how a kingfisher is catching fish. Amazing, isn't it? This bird is called as bronzewingedjacana because their wings are in bronze color. And the other one, this is called pheasanttailedjacana. Both are playing. This bird is known as blacktailedgodwit. They are migratory birds. They comes to Asia all the way from Siberia. This bird is known as littleegret or chotobok. See how it's catching its prey. See, what an amazing view. This small beautiful bird is known as swallow or barn swallow. This is a migratory birds and they are originated from Africa. This migratory bird is known as redwattledlapwing and they are actually originated from Western Asia like Iraq and Iran. A Beautiful bird, isn't it? This bird is known as common sandpiper. They are also a migratory bird and they come all the way from Eurasia. They can take long flights. See two beautiful bronzewingedjacana in a single frame. These birds are known as lesserwhistlingduck and they are originating in India and South Asian subcontinent. And finally, we have seen one common water snake and see how it's swimming in the water. These are some birds which we spotted in Purbasthali. The day really started well with a different driving experience with driving DNA group. What an amazing group and what an amazing people, all of them. This day will always be a happy, memorable day for a long, long time. Perfect day with a perfect ending. যারে উড়ে যারে পাখি ফুরালো প্রাণের মেলা শেষ হয়ে এলো বেলা আর কেন মিছে তোরে বেঁধে রাখি যারে